Well friends, here is the next problem, and before going to the problem, let us see the given direction. The given direction is find the missing number or letter in the given matrices. The given question is L, R, T, H, the missing letter N, 4, 8, 6. Well friends, now since we are dealing with the letters, so whenever we come across with the letters, what we will do first? We first write the positions of the letters. For that, let me consider the given question once again. That is L, R, T, H, the missing letter, and N, 4, 8, 6. Okay. Now let me write the position of the letter L. What is the position of the letter L? Of course, it is 12. Now position of the letter R? Yes, it is 18. And the position of the letter T is? Of course, it is 20. Similarly, friends, the position of the letter H is what? Yes, it is 8. The missing letter. Now, the position of the letter N is? Of course, it is 14. Now, friends, when we look at the numbers, we can find out the missing letter. The one way what I'll do is, see, 12, 8, 4. I can get 8 if I subtract 4 from 12. Am I right? So what I am telling? 12 minus 4 gives me what? 8. So 12 minus 4 is what? 8. Now similarly, let me subtract 6 from 20. If I do that, 20 minus 6, I'll get what? Obviously 14. To get the missing letter, I'll use the same method. That means I will subtract 8 from 18. That is 18 minus 8. What I'll get? I'll get 10. Friends, this 10 indicates this will be the position of the letter. Now when we look at the positions of the letters, the letter J is having position 10. Therefore, the missing letter will be J. Now, let us check the given options. The first option is H, which is wrong. The second is I, which is also wrong. The third is having J, which matches with our result. Therefore, option 3 will be the right option. Friends, we will see some more number of problems.